Samsung is expanding its mid-range smartphone lineup with two new models, the Galaxy M56 and Galaxy F56. Samsung Galaxy M56 arriving in India on April 17th. These new phones are expected to share specifications with the recently launched Galaxy A56. Galaxy F56 come with the Exynos 1580 processor with 8GB or 12GB RAM options. Either a 5000 mAh or 6000 mAh battery, Samsung may compromise on certain features like build quality and IP ratings for these M and F series models. Both devices are expected to continue Samsung's focus on delivering robust performance, battery life, and camera quality in the mid-range segment. Based on their predecessors, the smartphones would be launched with Android 15-based One UI 7 pre-installed. The company will offer 6 generations of OS upgrades and 6 years of security update support as well. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.